Good morning, it's day 56. We're out here. We're gonna go back to hiking. My throat is super swollen. I honestly think it's from my mulled water bottle. We'll see. Got everything packed up in the car, ready to go. All right, good morning. Day 56 officially. I got dropped off at the trailhead, left Angel's Rest, hiked southbound about just 1/10 of a mile to make up for what I did not do during my slack pack, and then started going northbound correctly this time. And since I stayed at Angel's Rest 3 nights, I got a little vortex patch. I'll show you that. Super good energy there. Highly recommend. I'm not feeling great. I took a allergy pill and that helped. I'm just gonna take them all day. Ibuprofen. We'll see. I don't know. I woke up in the middle of the night. I couldn't swallow. Looked on Google and it's like, yeah, this is what happens when you drink mold, pretty much. So, and how to cure it? Stop drinking mold. So, can do, will do. No big plans for today. Just have to average 4 18-mile days to get to Daleville, which I have a hotel reservation there. Should run into some friends today. Some Sobo slack packing, some Nobo regular backpacking. A rest, I'm going uphill. My pack feels great. I think I did good on my food. For the next 4 days, even have a little extra. And then after sending home some of that winter stuff, helps so much. Like you can see I have everything full food and my tent is in my pack, not on the outside this time. So much more space. And yeah, we're hiking and we're happy. Just hoping this throat swelling keeps going down, and we'll talk to you soon.
I've had a lot of days recently where people are like, look at this bear pick, and I know they were hiking.
After the rain over the last couple of days, this is the trail, and it pretty much is just a really good water source at this point. Update, just had my second real fall. I stepped a little bit on this log and it's just clear, like super slippery. Just slipped right over. Rubbed my thigh up against my trekking pole again, which that's what happened last time when I got a bruise. So I'm sure that'll happen again. There she is. So not the worst thing in the world. You know, honestly though, sun's coming out, so right when this happens, it's gonna be a better day. I am hitting mile 666 today, so that could just be bringing some weird vibes. My throat is still really painful, so what's happening is like my uvula, hangy ball, you know, back there, feels really swollen, and all the glands around it feel really swollen. So it's not like my lungs are having trouble filling up with air. It's like they want to and they're trying, but it's like the gatekeeper here is stopping it. So it's kind of hard to like catch my breath uphill, breathe heavy, like I need to, and like swallowing is starting to hurt again. So I think I'm going to come to a parking lot within the next 1.5 2 miles or something. So I'm going to take another ibuprofen, Claritin, and drink some water, even though it hurts. And we'll see how it goes. I feel like usually when I'm sick at night, it's like the worst. And then I wake up, the morning kind of sucks. And then during the day, it gets better. But this just is not getting better so I'm just going to pop some pills and hope that helps. So keep you updated, and I should probably stand up now. Okay, I made it to the parking lot, so I can do some stuff for myself, but I ate a Pop-Tart this morning. Then I'm going to throw in 2 of these, so it'll give me another 300 calories. That'll put me at about 700 for the day so far. It's about 11, and then I'm going to grab my medicine and take some of that. Hopefully I can find all that, and then we'll drink some water, and we'll get back on the road. Okay, I got my little pill bag. I've got an ibuprofen and some sort of allergy tablet. So I'm going to take that and see where it gets me. Hope it gets better. Terrain is so flat today that I literally just had to, I see a white blaze now, but I didn't see a white blaze for a little bit, and I literally just had to pull out the app to check and see if I was really on the AT because of how flat this was. Like, I honestly couldn't believe it. It was only like a quarter mile flat, but it's still going, and I was like, I must be on the wrong trail. But I'm not. It's flat. Okay, now today's just comical. It's like feeling sick, fall over, hitting mile 666. I'm like, God, my food bag's so light. I'm feeling good. And now I'm realizing it's because I didn't bring any lunches. Just breakfast, snacks, and dinner. And some people actually do that out here, so I'm not that worried. I did bring extra snacks. So, like I said, I've had about 700 calories. I'm going to have these Belvita crackers, which are 230. So it's 930. And then these like Ritz cracker, cheese cracker things, another 200. Now we're already over 1,000. And we still have dinner and snacks, dessert, that kind of stuff. So, and I have an apple. So hopefully we'll be fine. All right, day 56 officially done. Just a rough one. Still feel a little sick. Only hiked 16.7 miles, and I had dinner, but yeah, I had that fall. Just a lot of weird little things. My friend Sonar actually gave me all of his lozenges, like cough drops, so I'm set, so happy. That's gonna make tonight so much better. Yeah, just in my tent, gonna get ready, staying warm right now. It's gonna get down to freezing almost tonight, 30s, in the 30s, so no, can't see breath yet. But that'll make the morning a little tough, but we'll see. So happy big camp. We got a bunch of people here, or probably 10 or so of us, probably more coming in. And it's going to be sunny and in the 60s tomorrow, which is like my favorite temperature. So things will be looking up soon. We'll update you tomorrow, but thanks for watching and have a good night.